Compound interest is interest on the principal, or original amount, plus any interest that is already accrued. And simple interest is interest that is calculated only on the principal amount. We're going to go through a very basic example using the same amount of times interest is compounded. Let's say that you want to invest $5,000 for 3 years in an account and have two options: an account that uses simple interest and an account that uses compound interest. To keep this simple and easy, we're going to say that both accounts compound once a year, at the end of the year, and the yearly interest rate is 5% on both accounts. Here's a chart that we'll fill in to show the difference. First, for the simple interest account. At the end of 1 year, you'll have the initial $5,000 you invested plus the interest made on that amount. The interest earned on the account will be the principal or initial $5,000 investment times the 5% yearly interest rate. To calculate this, we first need to convert 5% to a decimal. And we do this by dropping the percent sign and moving the decimal 2 places to the left, which gives us 0.05. So $5,000 times 0.05, and that calculates to a $250 interest payment. Since simple interest is only applied to the principal amount invested, the annual interest paid on the account will always be $250. So $250 at the end of year 2, and another $250 at the end of year 3. And after 3 years, we have a total of $750 of interest earned. Now let's look at compound interest. At the end of 1 year, you'll have the initial $5,000 you invested, plus the interest made on that amount. So this would be the exact same as the end of year 1 using simple interest. $5,000 times 0.05 equals $250 in interest earned. From this point is where compound interest differs from simple interest. At the end of year 2, the 5% interest rate is applied on the cumulated total of $5,250, the $5,000 principal, and the $250 of interest earned at the end of year 1. So the calculation is $5,250 times 0.05, which equals $262.50 of interest earned in year 2. Next, at the end of year 3, the interest is applied again on the accumulated total of $5,512.50, the $5,000 principal amount, and the 2 previous interests earned of $250 and $262.50. So the calculation is $5,512.50 times 0.05, which equals $275.63 rounded off. Now, after 3 years, the compound interest account has a total of $5,788.13 in it. So after 3 years, the compound interest account has earned $788.13 in interest. Here you can see the compound interest account would be better, as you would have made $38.13 more in interest in that investment. And that $38.13 is from earning interest on top of interest. And that is the basic difference between compound and simple interest. All right, my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.